Hi dear friend, I hope you are doing great. How can you calculate the area of the highlight area here? Before solving this question, I request you kindly please like and subscribe my channel and support me. I need your support. Help me and support me. Let's begin how you can calculate the area of the highlight region here. So let's start. To calculate the area of the highlighted here, we use integral or integration because we don't have exact formula for this type of shape. It is actually surrounded by two curves. One of them is fx equal to x squared, the other is gx equal to x square root of x. We use integration method. But first of all, we should find the intersection point of two curves here, if we called here, for example, A, and also we should find the B. This 2 point is the important point of this form or this shape. First, we should find the value of A and B. To find the value of A and B, because these two curves here have intersection, we make equal together here. Write fx2 equal to gx, or x squared equal to the square root of x. We square both sides of the equation. We can write here x squared to the total square equal to square root of x total squared. Then multiply 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 is 2 times 2 is 4, and we simplify the power with root here, remain x to the power of 4. We carry the x to the left side, minus x equal to 0. Then we take out the x from both term here, remain x to the power of 3 minus 1 equal to 0. We put the 0 every factor, x1 is equal to 0, and x2 actually x cubed minus 1 is equal to 0, and x to the power of 3 equal to 1. We take cube root from both sides here, remain x to the power of 3 equal to a cube root of 1. Here simplified, x2 is equal to the cube root of 1 is 1. This is the x2. x1 and x2 is actually the intersection point of two curves. Actually, here we have 1 and here we have 0. This is the coordinate of x. Then we take integration and we subtract the area from gx, actually fx, because definite integration express or state the downside area of the between this curve and x-axis. Actually, the integral of or definite integral of gx is the area here, and the integral of fx is actually this area that I highlighted by another color here with, for example, orange. Here the orange or red color area is the integration of fx. We subtract the area of fx from gx. Actually, this total is belongs to, or the gx, and the red area is belongs to fx. When we subtract the area from total of gx, the red area remain here, the highlighted area. So let's begin here. We call this area as A is equal to integral from 0 to 1, from this point to this point, gx, because g is the upper side, gx minus fx, because fx downside here, minus fx here, dx. Then we can write A is equal to an integral from 0 to 1. Here we can write square root of x minus x squared dx. We use from this formula, as you know, that integral of x to the power of n dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over x plus 1 plus c. This is the formula of polynomial expression. So we use from this formula. A is equal to the integral of 0 to 1, and we convert the square root to the power x to the power of 1 over 2 minus x squared dx. Then here A is equal to integral from 0 to 1 x to the power of, then here A is equal to x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 minus x to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 from 0 to 1. I use from this formula. Now we simplify it here. A is equal to x to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus x to the power of 3 over 3 from 0 to 1. Now a is equal to, we convert here to multiply 4 by 4, 2 over 3, or actually inverse or reciprocal, 2 over 3 x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 over 3 x to the power of 3 from 0 to 1. Now we put instead of x 1 here, 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 minus, we put here 0, 2 over 3 multiplied by 0 minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 0. Now we come here, a is equal to 2 multiplied by 1, 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3, and here completely 0 because the both factor is 0 and multiply 0. So we take one of the denominator and subtract 2 multiply 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is actually 1 over 3. This is the answer of this question. Actually, this is the area. I thank you for watching.